guys, this is SM. We're in here pala. Wow, so cool. Do you want to go to the SM viewers? Let me know comments down below po. And subscribe to my channel, Zoe Gamer YT channel. And smash like. If you watch my second vlog, I'll go to SM like me. Fun adventure, guys. We're going up na. Go to Papa's World. Fantasy World. Fantasy World.
Yeah. Surprise.
Surprise. Fantasy World.
Fantasy World.
Wow, so good. If you go to the Fantasy World,
Fantasy World.
Fantasy World,
So big inside.
so big inside.
Look guys.
Look guys po, this is the brand new playroom. If you watch my second video, you will go to the Fantasy World.
Fantasy World.
Fantasy World.
Fantasy World.
Wow, look guys po,
Look guys, the price of.
the price po.
Ayan, look the price how much of.
Look the price, how much po?
Yeah, trampoline, so big trampoline.
Wow, trampoline is so big. I just want to go there. So guys, if you want to go to if you watch my second video, you will go to the Fantasy World. So watch my second video, Zoe Gamer YT channel. See, look how big is this? Wow! Wow, so cool. Okay, we're back there. Viewers,
Work.
wow, it's so high up. I'm too scared to fall down there.
Christmas balls.
Wow, Christmas balls, guys po. Look po. Oh, now we're playing Christmas song.
Yep, store.
Be an SM store.
Mamaya tayo pupunta dyan.
Okay po.
Cinema.
Guys, look po. This is the SM Cinema. When you have a popcorn, just go watch the movie. When you watch the movie, you will watch anything movies do you want. We are gonna back there sa Papa's workshop. We're almost there at the Papa's work.
Yeah, that is Papa ko.
This is Papa's workshop.
Good morning.
We're here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Papa's workshop. Here we have this. All of the gadgets and computer accessories and so much more. Say bye-bye and see you at 4